Welcome back to Dipansh video time. In this video, we are going to be continuing our zombie shooter episode 3. Episode 3. So now, as we have completed episode 3, let's change it to episode 4. And in this video, we are going to be creating zombie shooter episode 4 game over. This is going to be the last video of the series. So tune in and then we'll have our zombie shooter game ready. Okay, so firstly in our settings we have everything for the high score. Secondly, let's create a backdrop. Firstly we'll have a backdrop 1. Let's rename that to, let's say, our game going on. So the game going on is going to be used for when the game is actually going right now. This is going to be our backdrop. But for now, let's add another nice backdrop for a game over screen. I'm going to be choosing the blue sky. So in the blue sky, I'm gonna name it game over screen. The game over screen is going to be the screen when it is game over. So firstly, I'm going to choose it and a little bit do a texture change, a little bit like swapping, a little bit of this. This should be red and then on the top I'm going to add a little bit bluish. Okay. So this is our game over screen. So firstly, what I'm going to do in the middle is write is game over. So something like this, and then right over here. I'm going to change the color to be dark, a little bit like a nice color that blends in with the color we have. Now I'm going to pick a little bit like orange. Yeah, yes, this light color. And then after that, what I'm going to do is basically, now I don't want this to be on our backdrops. I want to basically make it sure that it's on the front screen. So I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to now do this. I'm going to create a new sprite and name it all. And I'm going to name this sprite game over, screens. So I'm going to name it screens. And then after that, we can now transfer every screens to our screens place. So now we are going to the screens. There we go. In the settings, okay. So now in our screens, we have two screens. Game over screen and the screen. So let's put it. So when green flag clicked, I want my screen, or I'm going to switch to costume going on. And then I'm going to delete the backdrop. So this backdrop and a plain backdrop. And I want this to be at the back layer. So go to back layer. So now it will be at the back layer. And now we can play our game peacefully. Okay. So now what the next thing is that we have to upgrade the screen. We have to make it a little bit more bigger. So let me upgrade screens and just maximize it so that it covers the whole screen. Sorry. Now let's continue for our game over screen. So let's go back to the costumes and I'm going to add another text. And that text will be time limit. So firstly, I'm going to place this right in the middle. And as always, I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to maximize this. So I'm going to maximize this, something like this. So now I have the game over screen. So I'm going to change this to time left. I'm just going to create this a little bit more bigger and a little more thinner, like that. And then time left. So after we have that, this looks good. Right, all the way at the bottom, I'm going to type something else. Good luck next time. Like that. And then I'm going to maximize it at the bottom. Something like this. I'm going to change the color to be green. Or a little bit like bluish. So now we have game over, time left, and good luck next time. Now the next thing is that I'm going to check a new variable. This variable will be named our score underscore show. This will be the score that we're going to show beside the time left. So I'm going to go to the players, the zombie sprite, and I'm going to broadcast message every time. I'm going to broadcast message, name it, and the game is over. So go to all of your zombie sprites and enter this block, touching player, game over. Now let's add it for all of our zombies. And now we have game over for every single zombie. That's great. Now let's go back to our screens. If when I receive game over, I'm going to broadcast game over. When I receive game over, I'm going to switch person to game over screen, and then I'm going to go to the front layer like that. Now let's go to the settings, and then when I receive game over, I'm going to set my score show to the time left. Then I'm going to show time score show right over here. So I'm going to put it to large readout and put it beside the time left. Firstly, when the game starts, I'm going to hide the variable because we don't want to show it. I'm also going to show some variables, just high score time left, and it is also the show variable time left. And then after that, when it comes to the game, I'm going to show my score show, and I'm going to hide the next two variables, which is high score time left and time left. Now, with all of this code done, let's check our game and see if it's working properly. So it's working. The high score is obviously working because it's not changing. And then I left 9 seconds. Game over. So this was the last video of the series in our zombie shooter game. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Dipansh video time is